Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is how to reset your Windows 11 operating system. So in this process, all the data you have in your system will remain safe. So there will be no data loss at all in this process. So first click on your Windows icon, then click on this search box and type reset, and you will see this option, reset this PC. Click on this option. Now here you will see in recovery options, this is the option we need, reset this PC. Just click on reset PC option. Now you will see this window, choose an option. So there are two options, keep my files and remove everything. So go for the first one, keep my files, and in this method all your data will remain safe. All your files in your desktop and other partitions will remain safe. So go for the first one, keep my files. Now click on the second option, local reinstall. Click on it, and now you will see this option, reinstall Windows from this device. Just click on next, and here you can see the complete detail. Your system will go back to the default mode. Keep personal files. So all your data, all your personal files, all your Excel file, your image file will remain safe. So there will be no data loss at all. Your Windows will be reinstalled from this device. The only drawback in this process is all your apps, all your programs will be removed. So your data will remain safe, but all the software, all the apps will removed in this process. And this process will take around half an hour to complete. So you have to click on a reset option and the process will start, and it will take around half an hour to complete. So this is how you can reset your Windows 11 operating system. This is all for the video. Thank you.